Okay. Alright, come do you think I know I'm going to
You're on already.
But was she then? She said this is
So
it?
she need to come and invite.
But this is something that seems very that's her. Oh yeah.
No one filter.
Stop now. Keyboard one.
Nothing, what's up, boo? What? How it is? So oh, that show so. Oh, I'm saying okay. Show me the city trend. Yeah. So you know what saying? We decided to go live tonight because I'm tired of the foolishness, right? And the lying.
Yeah.
So
So what is?
let me start now.
Turn the camera.
Let me start from scratch. You see the Apple girl, she JD keep a party. We're now what 2021, 2020, the end of 2019
Yeah.
in a November, right? In the keep a party. So you get two horse. One of the horse them was she, and one of the horse was Jordan.
Yeah.
That's what we meet her. All right, now. Anyway, party one and everything, and that was it. So one day now, never take long, like this November, probably like 4 months later, somebody said to me, say, Taya, me see, somebody, me see Apple pick up your man from my end. I didn't usually work with rental, you know. So I say, no man, we're not affiliated with them people, eh? You understand? Cause me always see them, me not pay them no mind, me not business with them. One time she got through my hairdresser forget to me, their session. When I look, me see her, and me and my next friend, one of people know her, go, and whatever she do, run somebody yard. She do what she have to do, I'm going about my business. Me, I am by the stuff, so I am by that was it. Anyway, now, after a while, it's touch her much time, she called me and me finish her. So, back to the beginning, the person call her, no, the person said to me, say, them say, Apple pick up my man from my end. So me say, we're not affiliated with them, nothing can go so. Me know when my man alive, I ask him 2 times, I say, yeah, fuck Apple? He say, no. Me say, I ask him again, yeah, fuck Apple? He say, no. So I say, all right, I start thinking what I do. So somebody tell me about one app, right? So I put the app on him phone. When I put the app on him phone, it busts her, but it busts everybody. But she the only person want to keep this going. You understand? Man and man post anything them want regardless. But to me, I just feel like this. First of all, me do that girl, yeah. Second of all, she too outside a period. I'm in a mix with certain type of people. You understand? Me not like people who are too extra and all them something there. You understand? When me usually see them in a them little thing, me always look to the side of my eye and say, no, sir, some father got me in a them type of circle there. You understand? And me always tell people, say, the devil can't come straight to me. I have to use people to come to me. Yeah. All right. So the something bust her. Me never have her phone number, my inbox, my DM her. Can you see me now? Me not deal with my relationship or certain things on social media. This is what she likes to do, so that this is what I do. My DM her, me not see she answer. Somebody say, let me give her a number. I call her. When I call her now, she can't talk by herself. She put her friends online with her or whatever. I said to her, say, Apple, oh, you're so old, Tata. Yeah, fuck J, my J, not JD and J, my J. No, we're just for some shit, some makeup story or whatever. So remember to never on the acting, you know. So when we start telling her about certain things, which we can't know, she started to me say, All right, so it's like she had threatened me. She had said, Toya, I'm married. It might look bad. I got everything on recording. You understand? I'm not using a recording to the furthermore, you know, something like that. But okay. You can't, me might look bad as a married woman, but if you put it out there, me, I gonna put things out there and whatever. And me's the type of person like this. You can't tell me what to do. Me don't know if she never asked. You cannot tell me what to do. And me not bow down to nobody. You understand? He's a girl about my business with a trouble people. But you see, once you want to come in my way, me I move you out of my way. You understand? So she said that and whatever. So we talk woman to woman or whatever. So Mr. Tuar said, no, Mr. Tuar said, like me, that said such and such date. Him come up a your yard, up a Danbury, and whatever, all type of things and whatever. She said, no, whatever, till she finally admit. All right, now, things say done. One day, me and him, there room, and I still like, she calling. Someone called me, it's like 5 in the morning. I'm say to her, say, you're fucking outside, I'll wait till me see and whatever. Anyway, it start from this one now. She start through her word, this and that, whatever. Me I say, me not understand other girl are married and keep on a through her word and whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna put the pressure upon my man and them something there, whatever. Me I try to cut through the chase. Even if she sell pussy, she never selling pussy. You understand? She in love with the man. She do not want Jadian. She probably like Jadian as a brother.
Our
But
pimp.
she is not. What?
Our pimp.
Yeah, our pimp. No, but guess what? I never pimp for him. So let me tell you, oh no. When she deal with my man, I talk to my man, she talk like he's a boss. She have this and she have that, she have this and she have that. She get J Man clear jacket, she get him Louis Vuitton, she get him all type of something. You understand? And if even confirmed by somebody else, say, oh yeah, she say, I don't know, she gets him a man clear. She go back and forth with things, she tell everybody things according to what they know. At the end of the day, she give him 3 songs, she do this, she do that, right? Me don't say again. Yeah, so Christmas she gave him the man clear jacket, she gave him the hat. Then she must have given him weed and all type of stuff or whatever. She that try act like she's a boss bitch, she don't need nothing. I never no sell pussy nothing. Me hear her on the phone with Jay. Me not talk about what him say, and me not talk about what she say. One thing me to him, my hear the girl said to him, say, so wait there, why you wouldn't have a child with me? And him say him having relationship. It's not come from Sheena or him. This is me as listening. Him having relationship. Me and nobody else not have nothing but come. I'm not fighting for no party come. Man never do what they want regardless. Fear man used to give her L whatever. Probably him not give her L no more because Sheena want him and what time don't make him look so. Nobody else no want him. So him just sit on which part in there. Right? No. Every minute now. Let me rewind now. Nolly barbecue. Me and I already cut on the phone. I'm not trying to start to wait for him. The guy named Nolly, they keep a barbecue. She did round there. Coincidentally, one time me I got a barbecue now. Who me see? Me think me see she, but me never showed her night. And the person walk out of the club. You have to walk through a club to come out of the backyard. I yell to my friend what they in the road and I said, now apple this. She say, yeah. I say apple and I kick apple. She come down the road and says, so why you never wait? I said, me not care about the fucking video or camera or whatever. This is how me feel. So me I make sure she's gonna ramp with me. When we go back in the club and go through my man is still there here. Me and him stand up and him a try to touch me and me I said, come on for me. I just kick your girl a while ago. So I said, we had talk about Mrs. Shea whisper to our friend them. My friend said she never tell them the truth. Right? As she always do, she always a tell lie. Like me say, she asked the man for child, the man say him having relationship, me give him that. She asked him if I choose she me and whatever, and he said to her, I said, no, nothing to do with that and whatever. You understand? And on the phone too, he might have picked me up from airport. In my barber, who you get cute from? Or me I pick up tire for the airport. A tire when you get cute from? And I'll end something there. Big things. You understand? It was not no money thing, nothing. She say, him never, one thing with Jay, it will never come out my mouth to knock y'all. And I say, me go left my woman, me no want my woman. And that's the problem with everybody have because true, him is full of so much charisma. He's a handsome guy, but he's full of charisma. It's like, it look like all of the girls them fall to me. You ain't even used to argue. Can you stand me low him up? You know I'm a travel from my plane, I'm going about my business, go work. Me not give a fuck how much money him have cause me never lie, it make me comfortable. Him not care what me do with my money. Him prefer spend fee money for me or whatever. But when I vex with him, I low him up. Me not do laundry, me not cook. Everybody who close to me know that. You understand? But yet, we do have love for each other. You understand? If someone post a picture, then we go places, we do things like a regular couple and whatever. You understand? Years back, he said to me, saying, one threesome, Taya give me a threesome, if they give me a threesome, I will never cheat. He said to him, say, when we meet Jay, you know, the reason why I trust him, you know, I meet him as a fucker boy. I never meet him as a good, true. I meet him as a fucker boy. And the reason why I don't believe in him is, him tell me the truth after, but most men when they meet you, they're not gonna tell you certain things, right? But him different. Him tell me the truth, then him start him one relationship, then after that him start lying. You understand? But I meet him as a fucker boy. Anyway, you know, him ask for threesome. I said, me not give you threesome. Go say, yeah, fuck and yeah, whatever. Go on do what you do, me not give you a threesome. Out of everybody, I can't find a couple of people. Nobody not in an argument more than Taya, whatever. I don't know what you're talking about. Them going about them business. You understand? She want to talk to me, talk with me.
Only the married all at one to talk.
But what she not understand, this is what she not understand. Like everybody know, me and Jay live, but me still have my house from long. I have my houses. Now me and him live, but I have my houses. When me not in him, I go to my house, I block him, whatever. Him call, him come down the yard, him kick down the door, anything he want to do. You understand? So if you see the way me stay, cause me very tough in my relationship. You see, if you allow me to have my 1 minute, me and him would have left. But me and him can't left because he don't want me and him to left. You understand? During the whole course, I share kill up herself because she had more than anybody now.
Yeah.
Get G-Wagon, I still get everything, I still get everything. Got a couple of months after that, I still get everything what I'm supposed to get. If somebody never highlights to me, listen, people are like, oh, and in the stuff fuck, all of the man them fuck. All of the man them, because you can't stop them from fuck. Worse if it's a man with them think in that they all fuck.
Them are from creation.
Exactly, there's nothing you can do about that. But you see, you want to stay relevant, so you feel like so when you're getting the things them, when your woman not game, he might go jump up and left. No, he's a weirdo. You understand? Him gonna get the blood clot milk already, so when you not take the cow for him gonna get the milk already. You understand? I should talk it to him, say, me go look fool if me left my man and you not left your woman. Him now come out time out and say, me go left Taya, me no want Taya. Never, ever, 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 ever that. Never. You understand? And me would have to leave. And in order for me leave Jay, because Jay can be a 9 when he's ready, we'd have to eyes from him. You understand? But let me tell you something. You see worse in their jail now? Is a boy will look out for enough people. You understand? Him friend him have a heart of gold. Me not gonna make no girl come and mash up me and my man, and me left my man in there stuff it never happen. And even while he's in here, he make sure say me and him kids them is good. You understand? I'm gonna lighten up. I'm gonna tell you something. You see the freakiness, me gonna tell you the truth. One thing, yeah, when you see, Manu say like it reached out time now where everybody are like, I be a freak of one and be a stuck cocky and all over and them that give a fuck if it come out you see a wall and that wall, whatever. Me still old school. Certain things me not go do. And for she forget bright and go on camera about Toya man suck up or whatever. First of all, me and him after you see them something that was she present? Them something that from months ago. And she think say, you can't block me and me from stop talk. Me not give a fuck what you want to put out because guess what? You suck the most pussy. You're there with girl what the age of your son, you're the same age of your son. Younger than that. You're like a fucking pedophile. You understand? I be a little girl, you walk and succeed and pussy for a big man. You're in your 40s and you act like a little girl. You understand? Every minute you go back and forth with me, Then JD and him, first me did sorry for him, then me realize him that in a denial him is a liar. Man confused. But when me hear say him still, I go up on the phone, I call certain people, I go up on IG, regular, and depend. I put one talk to you. People who have class them. I put one talk to you. For what?
Earthband, Mr. Earthband.
You understand? And then I talk to people about them relationship. If JD there now, nothing would have depend on IG. It's not even about sneaky. Certain things they're keeping at your house. Work out your, you see, if you don't really love one another, work it out in your house. Then you gotta talk about people bad mind and jealous of you. Oh, me bad mind and jealous of you. And me to give you a session. I always see you not here in the mind. Oh, you was never an issue in my life and me was never an issue in your life. Are you a compete with me? You understand? You want my man. You understand? And you know what I do? One of the time since I get locked up, in a quarantine, I only have one phone call. And him tell her already, you know, careful with Toya because she's smart, as she say once before. One phone call him did have. And him call me. I know she never hear from him. So, me they put up talk to my babes today and whatever. You see, ever since that day, the woman got crazy. Because I know she has to to herself, so oh, Toya talk to me and him not call me. Let me tell you something. No girl, when I love no man or whatever, she puts 2,800 in her friend on. 2,800. Me get 2,000 and the baby mother get 800. Me the thing that 2,000 afterwards and somebody said it was 800. $8,000 she forgave. And you know what happened? Remember when Pinkwall used to keep in on him out here? I never answer Pinkwall, I never look for nothing at all. Right? When that happened now, I'm start see them, I get right on Pinkwall and I tell lie because my closet clean. You understand? We can't talk and say anything we want because no girl not have no secrets for me. You understand? So we get mad and we start put up everything. All the next one, we put $3,000 on American Express card and be a thing. None of them are special. The one person special is me. None of them are special.
One for years.
One for years. And not care what him do or say him like, obviously him did like the free thing. I asked him the only thing when me did shop about, when you say you come out of your kitchen and you're in a someone next kitchen and him tell me say baby make a mistake because you know what the trees from to get to my head come never that whatever. And she kind of have that over him, as you can see. The way you see she put out, that's not recent. That's from when before him even get sentenced. When him kind of like just like probably 2-3 months after him get locked up. But him never wanted to reach me. So him I tell her I say whatever, don't whatever. There's more things. I don't know whatever she suck him cocky.
Yeah, after.
Yeah, them do all of that. She fly out. Him say she buy the ticket. Listen, you see the vice note with him and Jadian. I never me put it out, you know, because I have the whole thing. That's just a little piece. And when people think say me, they can deny him, not this me. I see my this because I'm trying to make the husband know because him hear from his friends then do a live and I talk about when you do this and when you do that, and whatever. So I make the man know say, Bridget, what you talk about? I fuck your blood clot woman now down the block from your house, hotel all over. And she buy her ticket to come look, give him treat some and everything. And she thinks that she can't treat some. And you know what, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Me the thing say, the reason why she want people, man, probably she tired of the treat from them with JD and she want a one-on-one thing now. But me get to see a fair thing and she thinks say, every man, when you do that with, like them about left them woman and go to you. You understand? Because I treat them. No, the man know him.
Not stay with she when she give it him not stay with she alone.
Okay.
I'm bad out the road same way.
Okay, I say there was others because the something on the phone was for she and it catch other people. You understand?
Yeah, me know.
No. At the end of the day, I never come on IG and Facebook and talk my business. You understand? So I'm ask you something now. So who run up and down in a store to try and make money? Figure one man in a jail what them not care about.
A thief.
Okay, and him tell me how they make the money with the stocks. So him tell me. You understand? I ask me for what it down. Like me say when the people team come, me try all it, you know. Me try all it, but then tax the lockdown anyway because of Corona. So I just start talk up the things and she vexed with him not telling about who tired this and how she know because of course me can't know them things unless my man tell me. You understand? And me tell you how she's so stupid. You want to act like say I was something first, you know, remember say she never that class, you know. And me she show what fun. You see from the cat out the bag with all this stocking and all of this, him don't leave her. She don't know say when him call the other day and me did up on the phone and listen. And him tell her say when him come out him got blood cleats spit on her, whatever. Me did on the phone and I don't say nothing. You understand? And you notice how she always slim? She lose extra weight. You understand? Cause she afraid for my man. Him not gonna call, him don't need to call no more, cause guess what? You done talk and do what you have to do. Him not gonna call no more.
And
you
you
know,
shall bring him down when she bring down herself too.
yes, I know. Because you see, say now, you see when him call her, like she thinks same did all calls to make up one blood clot ring and she answer the phone, hello? And him tell her, say, yo, hey girl, stop call up my name, I'm gonna spit by you, whatever. You understand? After that, no, she start classing him head big, him is not her type, this and that. Me not say she not sell pussy, but she never does sell him pussy. You understand? She have more clothes him and do everything, him treat some everything. And she even asked him in the recorder, like she try to get my business. It's like to me, a secret. So Toya reading again your treat for me, say no, she don't. No, bitch, I don't. I don't. Me not give him none. But I'm glad saying to get that still, you know, but him put crosses in my life. Because as you can see, every single day, who of them man of them yard and get up every day and show what for one girl when important to them where she never did want them man. Who does that? I use an apple. It's my money there right now. I'm gonna look on her now.
I know.
You understand? Who does that? Then Jade and him now, let me tell you how it go. Every time I do something, all right, look on all the cash app. You know business and him head big and that's not your type, whatever. Why are you sending cash app? Are you named April Richards? Why are you sending cash app? Why you care so much? In there jail, why you care? You have your phone account, you have 3 accounts on it. And one of them are jail. And one of the time you don't go on live and do the phone thing with our phone number. You understand? To make everybody hear or whatever. So you not care about the man and you're doing all these things.
Kim, you have to request. Kim, you have to send the request. If Kim Graveyard request a Toya, you can add her.
Babes, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the request something. Are the camera button I touch? No, somebody I requested said no, bottom line stop me now. Yeah. Yeah, somebody requested me. Don't take she off. It does a 3-way.
Yeah, 4-way.
These are the people that she said the 4-way. Oh yeah, Kim, yeah, put up this one. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to the husband now.
The Earthband.
I need the husband. The husband never.
Earthband.
Remember, say I love the woman fall in love, you know. The husband never did know yet. Remember, say me have this something, you know. He said I could have kill him. But I couldn't know everything because sometimes I'm busy at work. So some things have missed me. And my boss myself a couple months after that, so it ended up come off. But anyway, the husband, she would tell him, say, on there, Jamaica, and this and that, and you know, send it to me on WhatsApp, come here, pretend me that sleep and all these things. So obviously, the husband never knew him. The last time I see him act like a man, the husband, was in the ear the rumor go around. Him never really take people word of mouth. What him did do, the same car with him share, like let's say him put a recorder in the car. And when he put the recorder in the car, him hear everything.
The Earthband?
And yeah. That's how when him thump on her eye and she go to California with a black eye and she that wear the glasses, then did that for whatever who she that was from the time the thump on her eye and she call the man, me hear it, she call him and say, you know, same find out him put a recorder in the car and him thump me in my eye. And then the next day you see them on IG, Mr. and Mrs. Richard, Mr. Me blood clot, but I see a set of fake people, I never see this yet from a band. So, you know, back and forth now. The husband never knew at first. Him find out through the recorder and to say true thump on her, I must think say it over. Then decide now, say, them I gonna pretend like him no know him. Me no know if the friend them know say him no know for true or friend them or whatever. But him keep on, them go do the live stuff about when you take a man money and like him the panic and talk about, oh, you can't do that, you know, because the man will want to go further when him well and blood clot and say the girl get fucked.
Yeah,
And
after.
don't my friend them wouldn't talk to me say he's lying. You understand? Him think say when him do this, it's gonna make him look more masculine for pretend say I never fuck she fuck.
Real Papi Show.
The whole of them fuck and stuff. Our man go all go and fuck and stuff. That's what them do. You understand? You open up Jay to the lifestyle that him they say them people that do it and whatever. Mr. Me not see them happy. Me not see them happy and our man still a blood clot fuck. So what me I do them something there for? Our man still a fuck. You bring it to my blood cleat, man. And then you get mad, you can't get my man. It can get you upset. And then you got to tell like our friend them, some of our friend them know how the fuck she feel about him, yeah? Some of our friend them fucking know.
Yeah, you see them better a war with you with a talk up them mouth.
And I'm just like, who does this now? But when time to them man a fuck, it's like God, it's like God can't hurt, like it's a big blood clot deal when to them man a fuck. It's a problem.
Kim say for other.
But she touch it enough. Babe, come here one more time. When for them man a fuck is a big deal, she go out there go catch for her man a fuck. Them have, me not understand for them. She go out there already go catch him a fuck, you know, can me say to her on the phone. I say, but you have talk like say you perfect and your life perfect. Oh, I told him if he do again, I'm gonna leave him or whatever type of bullshit. So who is you to feel like say nobody nothing nobody nothing do it to you, but you for do it to other people. And when them blood clots screw upon you, you gotta come turn this thing around like them bad mind you. After me done do everything with them, I look on her, and people keep on us the time. The gang that stop. It not do the something. I wonder if it not read. It's still I've been enough in the update.
So when you want her to come, so if you want to remove it, do that and then go to her.
So I'm gonna remove it, Tanisha, at her?
No.
All right, make it clear then.
So when you're done.
All right.
She have to send the request.
Yeah, she said, me don't know if probably in the update. She said it can show a remove for through it now to the 3-4 way or whatever. Yeah, so what me not understand is me no say me in a friendship where my friend them can say to me, say, Taya, this I get stink, it I get out of control. It don't make no sense, I disrespect your man, whatever. Me not know where them woman here comes from. Me don't know who the fuck does this. Me never hear this yet. Yeah, cause people about them blood clot, man. And when time your man do nothing is a fucking problem. But nobody was supposed to say nothing to you. Me know watch your petition and know I'm busy. Look how long, you know, remember some one got live from yesterday now. And can't go live.
Them know say you're busy.
Yeah, I'm busy. You understand? I'm very busy.
I've been with them for years, so them know you. Them know your style.
Okay. So anyway, like me said, me tell Jay, you know, there's a difference between love and loss. Me love you, them lost you. Because, see, me love you, and no matter what, the going get tough, never dare stuck, and he's a strong girl.
True.
You understand? And him know the strength in me, and him know the quality of woman what him have. And him know the bitch them what out the road. Because we talk about it all the while. You understand? So, me don't know what she that try to prove, honestly. In the jail, why you still in touch with him? Why were you still in touch with him? Yeah. As soon as they let the cat out the bag months ago, she know who she call. And from him hear that him just say, all right, it done. You know, I'm nothing else over my head. Him not hungry, him all right. Him never did need the money anywhere. Him all right. Him done. So you just go crazy. You never call up the man name so. You just go crazy. At the beginning when him there jail, everything good and you think say you have this thing left. No problem. No, you just go crazy, just go on a rampage. And then your man now, every minute him have a live video come talk about, oh, we laugh at people I knew. Him never did know nothing. But true, she said, they don't know. They might pretend like say, yeah. Even if them have a one relationship, like me say, with my man, it was a whole another deal. And just like him friend them say, she said the dog thing tough and she want a man. She want a man to walk up and down with her and stand with her and whatever. But she said she not get that because at the end of the day, remember, say she like the wife, Tycho. Nowadays, we could have give a fuck. The wife thing is so important. So, true, him not a wife her. That is our problem. You understand? Oh, me can jealous over she. She not good looking. I wonder she think she good looking. She over there class and talk about me. Listen, anybody want know me from me young. A man give me my start and everything. Man send me go nursing school. Man buy my first house. You understand? Man teach me how to drive or whatever. Them time them, me not have a dollar, me not sell no pussy. You understand? But just get the rich good man them. You understand? Because me a goodie. No man never left me yet. You understand? And it take more than a fucking 3 some, it really do. You understand? And even when me now cook and clean and do the things them, you see through him know when time I do it, me's the best at it. Him know say, I him bad, so him have to deal with it. You understand? Till me and him make up back. We're just tired of the fucking lie them. And you try disgrace the man while in the jail. And you know, say if you never there jail, you wouldn't do this now. You wouldn't do this now.
But good thing you're strong, can back him and dead for him.
But you fuck me after back my man, me not give a fuck. Me not left my man for no dirty rotten apple. No girl. Me not left my man. You understand?
And ring off all chicken head.
And you see the fight thing, let me tell you all the fight thing because and you know what? Thanks to everybody who showing me love. Thanks to everybody who really say, like me say, me not do this is not me. You understand? But one thing you're not gonna do is chastise me. Oh, can you see? You see, even the day of the fight, like me say, me could have take the amount, bust open her head, and she drop her ground and just leave her like that, whatever. Me never go there to kill nobody, because guess what? Me have more for lose than she. You understand? Me have mortgages, me have businesses. You understand? Me have my 3 kids them, plus my stepson who I love very much. You understand? And me have to make sure that things run good for him.
Yeah.
You understand? So me just have me go out there stuff to make she know, although she know that. So don't fuck with me. Me not give a fuck about you are your friend them. You understand? Me not afraid of nobody because who me come with, me could have come with more than that. And I could have come with weapon, and I could have come with ammunition. And me never do that. Me just make you know, say stop fuck with me. You understand? Stop call up my name. Me and you not size girl. You understand? Me and you is not in a class. Me cannot jealous over you. Me can't jealous over your looks because obviously them seeing at the day. Everybody see how you're looking at the day. Everybody use filter sometimes, but your filter till you can't ever see the blood creep teacher them and you know that they look on our picture. You can't see our eye good, you can't see nothing good the way the picture them filter. So